Do you want to unlock Perplexity Pro entirely for free? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method using the student education offer. Watch closely because every step matters. First, head over to Perplexity.ai. Click on the Login button and sign in using your Google account. Once you are in, look at the left sidebar and click specifically on Upgrade to Pro. On the pricing page, don't click the standard plans. Instead, look for the Education tab at the top. This is where we can get the discount. Now, we need a specific university document. In this example, I am going to a Telegram channel to download a tuition invoice template called Save Hoking. I'll open the PDF to check the details. It's from the University of Groningen in the Netherlands. We need to copy the student number and remember the format of the name shown here. Go back to the Perplexity verification page. For the country, select Netherlands. For the school, type in University of Groningen and select the official option that pops up. Now, before you type your name, you need to make sure it matches your Google account exactly. Open a new tab and go to your Google account settings. Check your Personal Info tab. You need to copy exactly how your name is written here. In my case, it is SBY Imen. If you need to change it to match the document format, do it now. Head back to the form.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your Google account. For the birth date, enter a date that makes you university age, 12 April 2003. Then, OK, good, next click, Verify my student status. The automatic login might not work, and that's okay. It will ask you to upload a document. We need to edit that PDF template we downloaded earlier to match our details. Go to a site like Seda or any free online PDF editor and upload the Save Hoking PDF file. This is the most important part. You need to replace the fake name on the invoice with your actual name. Click on the text Sami Hoking and change it to your name, SBY Imen. Do this in every spot where the name appears on the document. Also, make sure the student number matches what we saw earlier. Once you are done and it looks clean, click Apply Changes and download the new PDF. Now go back to the Perplexity verification window. Click on Upload Proof of Enrollment and select the file we just edited and downloaded. Hit Submit and wait a few seconds for the system to scan the document. And there we go. You should see a success message saying you've unlocked Perplexity Pro. You've now unlocked the advanced AI features without paying the subscription fee. Just to confirm, go to your settings. You can see here that the Perplexity Pro subscription is now active and valid all the way until December 2026. That is how you do it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.